Hi guys, Michael Wright from Concord, New Hampshire here. I want to talk to you real quick about the Masterminds. They say information changes situations, and the amazing amount of information that you gain from being at these masterminds can truly change your situation for the better for the rest of your life. The knowledge and the skills between the Web 2, the Web 3, the marketplace, and so much more that I have gained in this short period of time has not only helped me scale my online business, it has also helped me scale my personal business as well. I would highly recommend getting on both masterminds as soon as possible. It's like getting a cheat code to success. The information that they give you is from people who have an amazing amount of success, and learning from people who have had this amazing amount of success is like getting years and years and years worth of knowledge wrapped up into small, easy, digestible bites that you can turn around and attain and gain all that years of knowledge to apply to yourself in a very short period of time. So you will see me at all of the mastermind classes. I will be there. I look forward to seeing you soon.